guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing you a what's in my bag and just all the items that I carry. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's just get into the video. So this is the bag that I'll be showing you guys. This is just a brown Michael Kors bag, and this is like my everyday bag. This has a long strap like this and the handles right here. First thing I see here are my keys. So I have my car key right here, and then I have a glittery keychain right here. It's just a glittery silver heart and this really dirty one. And then I have this super cute pom-pom right there. I have my house key with the Hello Kitty, and I also have a hand sanitizer. It says unicorns are my spirit animal, and it's from Bath and Body Works, and it's so cute and I love this. Next we have a tablet. It just has like pink polka dots with a rose gold cover. Next we have a lotion and fragrance mist. They are both Sweet Pea and from Bath and Body Works, so they're just the mini size. This is the lotion and this is the body spray. I love this scent and I always carry these in my bag. And then we have my sunglasses. These are Coach sunglasses, and they're my everyday sunglasses that I have. Then I have my list. This is a do not forget little super cute list right here. It just looks like that. I love it. It's really cute and I have it in my bag because I'm about to go to the store. Then I also have a pen with a cute little notebook, and it looks like this. It's just unicorn floaties with flamingo floaties, and it's just a blank notebook. And my wallet, this is a white Michael Kors wallet, looks like that. And obviously I just have all of my cards, and I have a few lip products. So I just have these, a Carmex lip balm, Anastasia liquid lipstick in Ashton, and I just have a lipstick. This is Lolita by Kat Von D. What the? And it looks like this. This is an everyday type color. Mirror, hair tie, a mint lifesaver. I have some Orbit gum and some Altoids mini mints. Eyelash glue with an eyelash thing applicator. Have some eye drops. We have a fortune. The only way to have a friend is to be one. That's so cute. And here is the big surprise. So I have my phone right here, and I updated my theme to my phone, and it's super cute. I will give you guys a little preview right now. So that's the little preview. I will be doing a separate video all on my phone and how it looks like in depth. So stay tuned for that. And that is pretty much everything in my bag. It's now empty besides the trash. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.
When I get chills at night,